Hey there, garden friends. Welcome to the garden. I got a special little episode for you today. I brought some friends out into the garden, some dear friends, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of harvesting. It's the first week here in June 2022. And so we got a little summer garden here. We got a little fruit orchard here, all organic. And we're gonna do a little bit of harvesting to show you what's ripe and what's ready to eat right now in our garden. Let's go take a look. So you can see our tomato plants are doing really good, but I don't see any ripe ones on the rainbows just yet. You can see our peppers are coming along. But on these peppers, on our hot peppers, we've got some jalapenos, some Trinidad scorpions. They're not quite there yet, but something that I did notice, oops, that maybe is a little ripe, is the eggplant. We got some ripe eggplant in there, so we'll be taking some eggplant with us, which should be delicious. You can see some in there right now. Like I said, our tomatoes are growing huge, but I'm not sure how many we're gonna get today. You can see the nutsedge is becoming a little bit of a bore here. Oh. Since we haven't been here for a while, just the weekend, you can see how much of that nutsedge has actually grown up so quickly. But yeah, oh, here's my garden friends. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, you find something good to eat? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a lot of the fruit trees are ready. That's gonna be focusing on today. So the boys are already onto some apriums, right? Some peaches, nectarines, some pluots we're gonna be giving a look to. And so yeah, let's go take a look at some of those. But before I just wanted to look at these beautiful tomatoes. Not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Dang it! Look at our pumpkins; they're just growing, just massive, just so quick, and the beans are looking good. But tomatoes aren't quite there yet. I can see some forming. You can see them on the bushes here, on the plants forming, but they're not quite ripe yet. So we'll just keep an eye out. Maybe come back in a few days, maybe even next week. But they're looking healthy. I fertilized them last week with some BioLive and some sea kelp and all types of good organics. You can see on top of the soil there, but you can see, oh yeah, there's some of the fruit there forming up, just not quite ready to be harvested. Ooh, it's like taunting me. I'm getting so excited. I just want to eat some tomatoes. I don't know about you. That comment, in the comment section below, let me know how much you love eating fresh tomato. Oh wait, hold on a second. Look at this. I see something ripe. Boom. Oh, the first tomato of the season. I'm gonna eat it. Hey. All right, so I didn't want to show us all harvesting each and every fruit, but I definitely want to show you what we came up with at the end. So our elevated strawberry garden, boom, everything here is cultivated organically, of course, but our strawberry gardens are doing good. Our aprium tree, this is cotton candy aprium. Look at that fruit. Oh my gosh, look at the coloration on that. So delicious. Tastes like candy, so the name is perfect. We did get our hands on some pluots. So I'll put that up there with the pluots. We also got a lot of green bell peppers. You can see this. Look how much of the apriums we got. So we could tell they're kind of a fickle one in that once they're ripe, they're ready to go for a few days, and then the tree just drops them like crazy. Look at this guy's trying to get his hands on. Oh, whoa! Is that good? Is that a good one? Little yellow flesh nectarine. So we had nectarines out there, yellow flesh, white flesh. But yeah, so the apriums had to come off, or else the tree just dumps them all. But you can see in here, more apriums, but a lot of pluots. Here, take a bite of that one. You can show us the inside of that pluot there, Lev. Look at that. Oh, so it's red. It's got this different flavor, different colors in there, and the flavor is just killer. So a lot more nectarines, a lot of pluots, and then look at how many peppers we got. We put them in an old bag here, so I'm not going to pull them all out, but this bag is packed full of bell peppers. We also got our hands on some other sweet peppers that are called cotton candy. I'm sorry, not cotton candy, candy cane cotton candy. I got the apriums on the brain. So you can see the stripes of the candy cane, which is cool. Is this pepper plant, its leaves are actually variegated as well. Now I'm curious to see what they'll look like if I ever actually let one mature to red, because that'll look really cool. And then there was one more pepper in here I wanted to show you guys that is really cool. Actually, there's a couple more. There's the Padron, where 1 in 10 is spicy, but the rest are pretty sweet. And then we actually got some New Mex lemon spice. Now I didn't let them ripen to their golden yellow color. We did pull some off because I want to taste them today to see how they taste, because I've never eaten those before. That's the New Mex lemon spice jalapeno. And last but not least, look how much we got off of just maybe 2.5, 3 eggplant plants, 3 individual plants of eggplant. So these are all Japanese longs. You can see, so they're trying to get to them before they get too overly mature, because you want them nice and firm texture. You don't want them seedy and pithy and all stretched out. Like, so you can see one right here. It's probably a little too big. We pulled it off the plant anyhow, but like you can feel it's a little bit kind of spongier, not quite as firm. And so I think that these smaller ones are going to be a lot more flavorful. This might end up just being worm food. So we'll see. I'll cut this one up and taste it just to confirm. But I love these smaller ones. They're so flavorful. I wasn't even a big fan of eggplant until I had them out of a garden and cooked with a friend who knew how to cook with them, and now I am hooked on eggplant. They're so delicious, especially when they're fresh. But that was our garden haul today, you guys. So tons of apriums, tons of strawberries getting nibbled on by my garden helpers. Lots of pluots, nectarines. The peaches aren't ready for us just yet, so we'll keep an eye on those. And more pluots and plums to come, and apricots even. We have actual normal apricots out there as well. Tons of peppers. And so for us, it was a great little garden haul. Can't not wait to bring this back, wash it up. Gonna have to eat some myself, but then give it away to a lot of good friends and family as well. Maybe I'll leave some here at the school with some of the staff that are here working through the summer. But hey, that does it for us this time, garden friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, all that other good stuff. And please come back for more garden adventures. Until next time, garden friends, have fun, and please never stop growing.